Hello, I'm Dr. Bobby Jones, and I'm excited to share with you my YouTube channel, full of 60-second self-care videos featuring the latest in somatic trauma therapy, neuroscience, the medicinal benefits of yoga, and the healing power of your imagination. What you believe and think affects how your body feels. So let's take some time together on a regular basis to do self-care. The world needs people taking care of themselves. So come, join, follow, subscribe if you'd like. Feel your best so you can be your best. Peace.